Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to this channel. In the class, today we are going to learn about antennas and propagation. Antennas is transducer. It is used for emitting or receiving electromagnetic wave. For example, in signal radio, you can see on this picture. It is antenna, and from here this antenna can transmit or emitting signal. This is a source of signal. If you see on the right side, you can see on this antenna, and on here also antenna for receiving signal. And you can see on here the propagation can direct from antenna 1 to antenna 2, and for right side the propagation or signal from antenna 1 and then to ionosphere, from ionosphere to the other antenna, or for R to receiver. And then we can conclude that antenna has two function of antenna. Number one for emitting signal, and number two for receiving signal. Or we can see antenna as transducer. You have known antenna for emitting signal, and you also have known antenna for receiving. And why antenna can we call as transducer? Because antenna can change for electric signal to electromagnetic. So we call it antenna as transducer. Antenna for transmitter, it is used for changing electric signal become electromagnetic wave. Can be propagation through air or space. Many medium on the area, the signal can through air or can through space. And what the function antenna for receiver? Antenna can be changed electromagnetic become to signal electric, After that, that signal can be changed or can be processed by electronic device or by electronic circuits. How does antenna work? When the current through antenna and then that current can create a electromagnetic field that propagating to outside, and then after in electromagnetic field, if this antenna receiving that signal and then that electromagnetic field can be changed to current of electric. In the market, so many kind of antenna. For example, antenna based on shape and antenna based on radiate pattern. And for antenna based on shape, we can see many shape of this antenna. For example, antenna monopole, dipole, parabola, and antenna loop. And for antenna based on radiation pattern, for example, antenna omnidirectional and antenna directional. The element of antenna, what we have to know, for example, gain, polarization, frequency, and voltage standing wave ratio. Do you know the function of this antenna? If you see on your left, antenna can be used for communication, wireless, and for broadcasting, for navigation, and for satellite. After we know the concept of antenna, and then we go to the propagation concept. Antenna is in here, antenna, and propagation in this area. Propagation is processing propagation wave such as electromagnetic wave, for example, a radio wave or light wave. And there are two medium that can be true of this propagation, for example, using medium or without medium. There are two kind of propagation wave. Number one, propagation of electromagnetic wave, and number two is propagation of mechanic wave. Do you know the difference between propagation of electromagnetic wave and propagation of mechanic wave? Yeah, For propagation of electromagnetic wave is used to for communication, radio, television, radar, and satellite. Whereas for propagation of mechanic wave, it is used for, or for example, is voice of human can propagate on air. Propagation of electromagnetic wave involving free space propagation, and you can see on this picture ground wave propagation and sky wave propagation. And the last one, for example, line of sight. Free space propagation is wave move through air without obstacle. For example, satellite. And for ground wave, the wave move following the surface of the earth. You can see on this picture, ground wave propagation, the wave signal move following the surface of the earth. And on the right side, you can see on this name is sky wave propagation. If you see on this picture, the wave can be reflected by ionosphere from transmitter to receiver. And for example, short wave or communication radio using this sky wave propagation. And for the last one, line of sight propagation, and it means wave can move on air without obstacle, and usually this concept for high frequency, for example, VHF, UHF, and microwave, and for implementation on television, digital, or communication cellular. I also show you about the gain of antenna, and this is the formula for gain of antenna. Antenna gain, it means the power of antenna make fo- to make focusing energy radiation on or at one direction. Okay, I repeat again. The gain antenna, it means the power of antenna to collect energy radiation on one direction. For example, antenna isotropic, ideal, or antenna dipole. And this formula for antenna isotropic, you can see on here, the formula is 4 times P times A and divided by lambda. And you also see unit of this variable. And the right side, I will also show you about the formula, the distance of line of sights. You can see on this picture, D equal to with 3.57 times root of h. And you can see on this description each variable, and you can see also units of this variable. If you want to request about how to implementation this formula, you can request and or you can comment on this below video. Thank you. If any question, you can comment. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.